Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Northeast Frontier Railway has released a notification. It is for engagement of ACT apprentices over NF Railway for the year 2019-20. So the date of publication of notification on website 13th August 2020. Opening date and time of online applications 16th August to 15th September. So here there are the vacancies. This is normal website that you can apply online, like nfr.indianrailways.co.in. The mode of selection is here. It is purely selection will be on the base of merit list prepared trade wise, unit wise, community wise. So the merit list in each unit will be prepared on the base of percentage of marks obtained in matriculations with minimum 50% of aggregate marks plus ITI marks in the trade in which apprenticeship is to be done. So the selection will be based on merit only. It means that there is no exam or interview, purely on merit based. So for the purpose of calculation of percentage of matriculation marks obtained by the candidates in all subjects will be reckoned and not on the base of marks of any subject or a group of subjects like a best of 5 etc. So here the details are here. To avoid last minute rush, candidates are advised in their own interest to submit online application much before the closing date to avoid possible. So here units, divisions, workshops are here. Number of apprentices required. So this is there are 7 places. They require total 4,499 positions are open, like senior personnel officer, assistant personnel officer, divisional, senior divisional personnel officer. Address of the units has been given here. No physical copy of the application is required to be sent to RRCR units. So here note, please go through the available training slots given below. So here Kathiya division and TDH workshop unit is here. So apprentices will be engaged in the following trades in the units mentioned below. So these are the 7 places where we can see, and PWD all the categories are given here. Eligibility conditions: candidate should have completed 15 years of age and shouldn't have completed 24 years of age as on 1st January 2020. So here upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years in SC and ST, 3 years for OBC. So the other one is like the details are here. Ex-serviceman minimal educational qualification. So candidate must have passed 10th class examination or its equivalents and a 10+2 examination system with minimum 50% marks in aggregate from recognized board, and NTAC, National Trade Certificate ITI in the notified trade issued by the National Council of Vocational Training is required. So payment of fees, it's 100 rupees, which is non-refundable. So the website has given here that you can go and apply through from website. So here the full forms is given here. Categories of disabled who could apply for engagement. So this is a scanned photograph. Details are asking. So medical fitness help desk. So this is a form of caste certificate for SC and ST. So OBC certificate format is here. So this friends, so whoever is eligible, you can apply for this job opportunity. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.